Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to download offline maps. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to download your offline maps, then you need to simply go to your Google Maps on your Android or iOS. So once you're in your Maps app, you need to make sure that you are online when you open it. Now you can simply tap on your profile picture and simply scroll down and tap on offline maps. After you have done this, you can simply hit the select your own map option, then drag and zoom the map to adjust. Once this is done, you can simply tap open the download option. After tapping on the download app option, these maps will be downloaded on your device. Now, these maps will allow driving navigation, searching, and location services without data. Through live traffic and transit are visible through its data. However, you cannot get the updates on live traffic and transits because you are offline in that particular mode. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.